Autumn in Europe is a time of transformation, where cooler temperatures and vibrant foliage create the ideal setting for a luxurious escape. From the vineyards of Tuscany to the historic streets of Edinburgh, each destination offers a unique blend of culture, beauty, and indulgence. Join us as we explore the top 6 European autumn destinations for a truly unforgettable getaway. Tuscany, with its rolling vineyards and medieval towns, comes alive in autumn. The landscape is painted in warm hues, creating a picturesque setting for travelers. As the harvest season begins, local festivals celebrate wine, olive oil, and truffles, offering visitors a taste of authentic Tuscan culture. Explore Siena and San Gimignano with fewer tourists, and take part in grape harvest tours and wine tasting events. This season also presents the perfect opportunity to admire Florence's historic architecture without the summer crowds. For a luxurious stay, consider Castello di Casole, a Belmont hotel, or Villa San Michele, both offering exceptional Tuscan experiences. In Bavaria, autumn transforms the landscape into a vibrant tapestry of colors. The Bavarian Alps, adorned in shades of red, orange, and gold, offer a stunning backdrop for exploring historic castles like Neuschwanstein. Autumn is also synonymous with Oktoberfest, where Munich hosts one of the world's most famous festivals. Enjoy traditional beer, food, and music while soaking in German culture. The cooler weather is ideal for hiking or scenic drives through the Alps. Luxurious accommodations such as Schloss Elmau and Villa Ludwig Suite Hotel provide the perfect base for an unforgettable Bavarian experience. Barcelona in autumn offers a delightful mix of cultural vibrancy and mild weather. The summer heat gives way to a perfect climate for exploring architectural wonders like Gaudi's Sagrada Familia. The city's beaches remain inviting, and cultural festivals like La Merce bring Catalan traditions to life with parades and concerts. With fewer crowds, it's easier to enjoy Barcelona's museums or stroll through the Gothic quarter. Discover hidden gems in the city's parks or dine at outdoor terraces. For a luxurious stay, consider W Barcelona, Hotel Arts, or the Mandarin Oriental, each offering exceptional service and views. Provence in autumn is a sensory delight as lavender fields give way to golden vineyards. The region's villages become quieter, offering a tranquil escape. Local festivals celebrate the autumn harvest, focusing on wine and olives. With fewer tourists, it's the perfect time to explore towns like Aix-en-Provence and Avignon. Wine enthusiasts will find vineyard tours and tastings in full swing. The cooler weather is ideal for hiking or cycling through scenic trails. Luxurious accommodations like Hôtel Crillon-le-Brave and Arels Gordes La Bastide provide stunning views and romantic escapes. Edinburgh's historic charm is enhanced in autumn, with vibrant foliage framing the city's skyline. Explore the Royal Mile, Edinburgh Castle, or hike Arthur's Seat for panoramic views. Whiskey lovers can enjoy distillery tours, while cultural festivals like the Scottish International Storytelling Festival bring the city to life. With cooler temperatures and fewer tourists, autumn is the best time to delve into Edinburgh's rich heritage. Stay at the Balmoral for elegant rooms with castle views, or the Waldorf Astoria Edinburgh for a historic luxury experience. The Douro Valley's breathtaking landscapes come alive in autumn, with vineyards turning vibrant shades of red and gold. As a UNESCO World Heritage Site, it's a paradise for wine lovers. Participate in grape harvests or enjoy scenic river cruises. The cooler temperatures make these experiences even more enjoyable. Many wineries offer exclusive tours, including traditional grape stomping. Luxurious accommodations like Six Senses, Douro Valley, and the Vintage House Hotel provide vineyard views and gourmet dining experiences. These 6 European destinations offer the perfect blend of luxury, culture, and breathtaking scenery for a memorable autumn getaway. Whether it's sipping wine in Tuscany, exploring castles in Bavaria, or enjoying the cultural festivals of Barcelona and Edinburgh, there's something for every discerning traveler. Ready to explore? Follow and subscribe to our channel for insider guides and exclusive travel tips to make your Bavarian adventure truly unforgettable.